Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about lesson for the way of life. 1. Reading. A. Discuss. What do you know about Alaska? Here, students are encouraged to give us some information they know about Alaska. We can give them the chance to look at for some information using internet for their mobiles. B. Read the text about Inupiat in Alaska and answer the questions that follow. Here you are going to read the text and then you are going to answer some questions. Listen and read carefully.
4D. Way of life. 1. Reading.
Alaska natives. Alaska, the largest state of the USA, will definitely impress the traveller with spectacular landscapes and a unique climate. But if you met the inhabitants, you would realize that Alaska offers more than just pretty views. It also gives visitors a fascinating opportunity to meet wonderful people and a culture very different from their own. One of the many peoples of Alaska are the Inupiat, who live in the north and northwestern areas of the state. Most Inupiat people live in small villages that have been around for hundreds of years. Others live in larger towns, like Barrow, which is the most northern city in Alaska and the United States. In Barrow, temperatures can drop to minus 49 degrees Celsius in winter. Also, because North Alaska is very close to the North Pole, it is completely dark for more than 2 months in winter, and between May and August there is constant daylight. The Inupiat are peaceful people with a lot of respect for the environment and their traditions. Inupiat villagers rely on hunting and salmon fishing for their survival. Their prey is normally caribou, fish, especially salmon, and whales. While the men go hunting or fishing, the women either work or stay at home and make warm clothes for their family. Sharing is very important for the Inupiat, and when the men catch a whale, each member of the community will be given some. Alaska is a special place, and it makes visitors wish they could go back. Some say it's the land of diversity. One thing is for sure, you've never seen anything like it.
Here we are going to talk about some words. Look at the pictures. Here we have a kind of reindeer. Caribou is a large North American reindeer. Whale is the biggest animal which lives in oceans. Salmon is a kind of fish. Question number 1. What does Alaska offer visitors? Alaska offers more than just pretty views. It also gives visitors a fascinating opportunity to meet wonderful people and culture very different from their own. Where do Inupiat people live? They live in the north and northwestern areas of Alaska. Why is the weather in Alaska unusual? Because Alaska is very close to the North Pole. What do Inupiat people eat? They eat caribou, fish, especially salmon and whales. What happens when Inupiat people catch a whale? They share it among all the members of the community. Exercise C. Look at the highlight words in the text and try to guess what they mean. Then match them with their meanings A to E. Then complete the sentence below with the correct form of the words. If you go back to the text, you are going to see that we have some highlighted words: inhabitants, landscape, really, prey, community. Try to read the text quickly and guess the meaning of these words, the words in highlighted. Then you are going to match the word to their to match each word with its meaning: landscape, inhabitant, rally, prey, community. Landscape, the nature or countryside. Inhabitant, a person who lives in an area. Really, depend. Prey, an animal that is hunted. Community, a group of people living together. Then you are going to use these words to complete the sentence. All the members of our space like the idea of a new park in the area. Community. I don't think you can space on George to get a job done. He is not very responsible. Really on. Road trips are nice because they give you the chance to admire the beautiful landscape. The injured animal couldn't run fast, so it was easy for the hungry lion. Prey. There are more than 2,000 in this valley. Inhabitants. D. Discuss. Would you like to visit Alaska? Why not? If you say yes, you are going to give us some reasons why you want to visit Alaska. If you say no, you are going to say why you don't like to visit Alaska. After you read the text, now you have more information to give us why you want to visit or you don't like to visit it.